Welcome to the MDCAT 2025 Complete Study Plan. Step 1. Understand the MDCAT 2025 syllabus. Download the official MDCAT 2025 syllabus from the PMDC website. Focus mainly on biology, 68 MCQs, chemistry, 54 MCQs, physics, 54 MCQs, English, 18 MCQs, and logical reasoning, 6 MCQs. Step 2. Analyze past papers and patterns. Go through MDCAT past papers from 2020 to 2024 to understand question patterns, time management, and repeated topics. Step 3. Essential study materials. Use textbooks from Punjab, Sindh, and KPK. Recommended resources include KIPS and STARS Academy Notes, NUMS MCQs books, and Dogar's MDCAT Guide. For English and Logic, SAT resources are helpful. Step 4. 3-Phase Smart Study Plan. Phase 1, Concept Building, 2 months. Phase 2, Topic-wise MCQs practice, 1.5 months. Phase 3, Mock Tests and Past Papers, 1 month. Step 5, Daily Study Routine Ideal. Spend 2 hours on biology, 2 hours on chemistry, 2 hours on physics, 1 hour on English, 30 minutes on logical reasoning, and 30 minutes on self-assessment quizzes. Step 6, Online Resources. Use Maqsad app, ILM Ki Dunya, KIPS online portal, and YouTube channels like MDCAT Academy Pakistan for free lectures and practice. Step 7, Mock Tests and Time Management. Take full-length MDCAT mock tests weekly. Focus on improving speed and accuracy. Regular self-assessment is crucial. Pro tips for success. Be consistent. Focus on NCERT or board concepts. Solve over 3,000 MCQs per subject. Maintain your health and avoid distractions.